Howdy, friends. Hello, how are you doing? Welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. In this lesson, we are looking at how to make a bolster with a zipper, right? And the first thing you need to figure out is how long you want your bolster to be and the diameter of your bolster. Now, if you can find something in your home that is about the diameter of of what you want your bolster to be, then that's a good thing. You can use that thing and just basically draw your circle for the ends of your bolster. If not, you can use a plate, you can use a bowl, whatever you can find, right? However, if you can't find something, then you will want to decide on a diameter and then use a compass to draw your circle first on a piece of cardboard before you actually cut out the circle from the fabric, right? Here I have already cut 2 circles and I have a panel of fabric that I will be using. Now, to know how wide your fabric has to be to go around your circle, what you will need to do is to multiply your diameter by pi, and pi is 3.14. Now, when you get that measurement, what you will have to do is account for your zipper, right? So you will have to add increments for your zipper. So to find how long your panel has to be to go around the circle, again, it's your diameter times 3.14, which is pi in mathematics, okay? If not, you can literally take your fabric and put it around your plate, bowl, cardboard circle, whatever you are using, right? And so what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and insert my zipper. Now, in order to insert my zipper, what I am going to do is start by stitching off a section at the one side here and a section at the other side here. And I do have videos on the channel that shows you how to insert a zipper. So I will link one of those videos for you, right? So I'm just gonna put my zipper down here, and when I stitch, I am just gonna stop just about here, and I'm just stitching in about 1/2 inch. That is good enough for inserting my zipper, and I will stitch to this point here. Now you can use a zipper foot. I am not using one. Now the next step is to stitch on the ends. Now I'll just pull the zipper a bit open so that when we're done stitching, we'll be able to open the pillow, right? So we basically just put the circle on to the tube that I have just done stitching, and I'm not going to be pinning, I'm just going to start stitching right around. So I am going to be doing tube to circle. So I'll have the circle and then I'll work the tube around the circle. So we'll just start stitching and working the tube around the circle. And I'm stitching in just about a 1/4 inch. Now the depth you stitch in will depend on your measurements that your tube and your circles are. And you can always make notches around your tube so that it lies nicely. I find that I can do it without the notch, so yeah, I do it without notch most of the time. Okay, so that's one side done, and we will do the other one just the same way we just finished doing this one. We have a bolster. We'll turn it inside out, but we don't have a bolster insert. However, I wanted to be able to show you guys what it looks like, and so I have rolled up about 3 blankets here. I am gonna put it into the bolster cover so you guys can see what it looks like. Now remember, if you are making an insert, you can buy your insert, and actually that's a good way to decide on the size of your bolster. You could just buy the insert and then make your bolster cover to fit the size of your insert. But if you're going to make the insert, then you make the insert just like you do the cover, except you won't have a zipper in your insert. You will just leave a little gap on the side through which you can stuff the insert with your polyfill or whatever filling you're putting in, and then when you're done stuffing it, then you use your needle and thread to close the gap. But that's it, my friends. What do you think? Making a bolster isn't that difficult at all. I sure do hope you enjoyed this little lesson. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Like and share. Also remember to subscribe and turn on that bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now. I will see you in the next video.